Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 10 Lite and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down just a little bit to find the sound and vibration. As you can see, we've got those options, so the notifications, ringtone and alarm highlighted at the very top of this list. So thanks to this, we do not really have to find any different sections. Let me show you how to change it using the ringtone, because probably this is the title of this device. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the kind of ringtones which are provided by the Xiaomi. Of course, you can choose local ringtone or pre-installed ringtones, but here you've got some more options. Oh my god, more options to choose from to pick, but I will stick with the I would say pre-installed or pre-installed actually ringtones, because choose local ringtone will simply transfer you to your own files. So if you've got any kind of, for example, downloaded, they will appear right there. Let me allow it, and as you can see, you can select the tone from the recorder, file manager or the music. I probably do not have any kind of stuff there, so let me pick something from the pre-installed ringtones and let me pick from the ringtone. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of the fully installed ringtones from which you can choose. What's more, we've got this option, don't set ringtone, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use the ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So basically, if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. So like maybe Kenny, and so you can hear it and check if you like it or not. And as you can see, we've got this plus icon, and let me volume it down a little bit. And you can simply use it just to enter your local music. So if you want to set particular ringtones, so let me pick this Candy, make sure that it is marked, just like here, and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.